In this question, two statements are given. One is the assertion and the other is the reason. And in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Now, assertion states that FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in females and Leydig cells in males. Now, this is false because FSH, that is the follicle stimulating hormone, acts on the ovarian follicles in females, stimulating their growth and maturation. But in males, FSH acts on the Sertoli cells in the testes to regulate spermatogenesis and not on the Leydig cells. Reason: growing ovarian follicles secrete estrogen in females, while interstitial cells secrete androgen in male human beings. Now, this statement is true because growing ovarian follicles produce estrogen and the interstitial cells or the Leydig cells in males produce androgens such as testosterone. So, assertion is false but reason is true. Hence, the correct answer is option B.